we have opened a Filipino bakery in Russia and have already started receiving the first orders from our relatives and friends. Today we will prepare our first order for our friends. We will cook Spanish bread and banana pie. Let's see if our friends like the Filipino treat. Make yourself comfortable, friends, to watch this video to the end.
I can see a cat, I can see a man, I can see a cat, I can see a cat.
Magandang umaga, mayungun tak and good morning, my friends. Look how beautiful and snowy it's outside the window. Christmas is coming soon and we are decorating our windows with Christmas and New Year decorations. My mother and her grandson are learning English. My nephew needs it for school and my mother also learns English so that she can speak in the Philippines. Guys, we have a first order in our Filipino bakery. So I'm going to my sister's house to make Filipino pastries, guys. And you see how a lot of snow we have here. Yes. It's already winter. Yeah, very good. Today is the first day of our Filipino bakery in Russia and we will prepare our first order. Of course, this order will be for our relatives because we want to first learn how to cook Filipino dishes perfectly so that we can then sell them all over the city. And in the future, open a Filipino restaurant here in Russia. Mom prepares dough for Spanish bread. We are constantly working on mistakes, considering what didn't work out for us last time, and improving the recipe and cooking technique. Today we will try to make the dough more lush and the filling even more delicious. Friends, I want to thank you for the comments that you left under the last video. Unfortunately, I don't have time to respond to all the comments because there are already more than 1,000 of them. I try to read them all. The last video has gained a lot of views and thanks to you, we still have the motivation to continue cooking Filipino dishes here in Russia. Thank you for your kind comments. We put the dough in a warm place for 2 hours so that it would rise. And at that time my mother and I went to a restaurant because today is Mother's Day in Russia. I I wanted to please my mom by treating her to a delicious meal at the restaurant. We choose mom's favorite restaurant, and mom wanted to try new dishes for her. Mom is very shy to shoot on camera and constantly asks me not to take it off, but I keep shooting it because I know how much you love my mom. I love her very much too. They brought us such a drink from sea buckthorn, oranges, lemon and ginger. It turned out to be very tasty and warmed us up after a cold street. From the windows of the restaurant, you can see the old Soviet house. This house was built several decades ago, after our city was completely destroyed during World War II. My grandmother, the mother of my mother, was a little girl at that time and caught the German soldiers who occupied our city until it was liberated by the Soviet army. Mom ordered a national Russian dish of potatoes with mushrooms and meat, and a Greek salad with shrimp and cheese. For dessert, Mom ordered a cheesecake for herself. It turned out to be very, very tasty. I'm glad that Mom liked the food and I was able to please her on this holiday.
Мам, ну как тебе понравилось?
Да, очень. Понравилось, вкусно все. Вкусно.
I want to say thank you, friends. Without your views, without your comments and gifts, this trip to the restaurant with my mom would have been impossible. We went home because the dough will be ready soon and we will need to bake buns and make a banana pie, banana loaf. Look at how our dough has risen. I'm sure our buns will turn out even tastier than they were last time. My sister is starting to make buns. Last time she got them perfectly. But there is no limit to perfection. And we will try to make Filipino dishes 100%. So that everyone in our city who tries Filipino food for the first time will be delighted with it. The Spanish bread is ready. Now you need to leave it for half an hour so that it still rises. And at this time we will make a banana pie that was also ordered by our relatives. First, we need to crush the bananas. mix sugar, flour, raisins, walnuts, butter, sunflower oil and eggs. And pour this dough into a mold and bake in the oven. It will turn out to be a very delicious banana pie. This is one of our favorite Filipino desserts. And at this time, my sister's husband and my nephew are making a slide out of snow in the yard. Well, our banana pie is ready. Look how appetizing it turned out.
Ваня, здесь горячо. Ваня, горячо.
Да, он просто сильно крайне внимание.
And it's time to send the oven Spanish buns, Spanish bread. Yes guys, as you can see, a little filling has leaked out of some buns. This was due to the fact that we made the filling very liquid because we add too much condensed milk. Nevertheless, the buns turned out, and look how lush they turned out to be because we used new dough recipe. And the buns turned out just great. It's not a shame to sell them. And my nephew goes to a concert dedicated to Mother's Day. He will sing and dance there. We pack a banana loaf, and especially for our first order, we bought such a beautiful gift bag on the theme of the Philippines. Maybe it's even a Filipina girl. Also, our Spanish bread, it turned out very beautiful, very stylish and very tasty. I'm sure our relatives will appreciate the first order of our Filipino bakery. And while the pastries are warm, we are in a hurry to deliver them directly home.
Здравствуйте.
Проходите. У нас тут собака, не бойтесь.
Булочки заказывали.
Заказик. Спасибо огромное. Долгожданно, что ждите на дистанционке. Вы прям наше спасение. Тоже хочет булочку, видимо, мы ей попозже дадим. Какой аромат. Вкусняшка, наверное. попробуем. Тетя Лиза нам привезла вкусняшки. Да?
Любимые пироги.
Да, пойдем пробовать скорее. Тетя Лиза привезла. Вот сейчас откроем, посмотрим. А, вкусняшка.
Дай. О.
Это с чем?
С этой. Сгущенкой.
С сгущенкой?
Да.
Там еще должен быть банановый, как его, не коржик, а не помню, как называется. Давай посмотрим. Аромат. Сейчас папе отправим фоточку. Сейчас сфотографирую. И ему надо оставить кусочек. А Буську-то угости. Буська-то хочет. Ой. Все. Учувствовала.
Friends, you can congratulate us. The first order of our Filipino bakery was successfully made, delivered and already eaten. Let's hope that in the future we will have even more such orders. Well, we continue to celebrate Mother's Day and cook pork ribs in Filipino marinade. Thanks to our friends from Canada who sent us awesome Filipino spices, among which there is our favorite marinade for barbecue meat. Today we wanted to try to make pork ribs, and Mamacita marinade will help us make them insanely delicious. Marinate them for a couple of hours while we make a fire. And add already pickled pork ribs, and I'm sure it will be a worthy treat at the end of our first day of work and Mother's Day celebrations. And now our friends have already come to visit us. We will treat them with Filipino food today. In the meantime, my sister's husband will prepare a grill. Look what the weather is today. We feel the approach of Christmas and New Year. And I can't wait to start cooking Christmas Filipino dishes. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. My nephews come out to help us. And my mother is busy with her household chores. Here is the fire. The coals are already burning soon and it will be possible to fry our pork ribs. Look how appetizing they look. Yes, everyone who tried meat in Mamacita marinade, Filipino marinade, was just delighted.
Жопушник. Что за словечки-то у тебя такие? Садики, что ли, учат такими?
Today our friends will also like this Filipino treat. Well, the first portion of grilled ribs is ready. Meat is tested by the head of the family, and he said that it turned out just very good. So we can carry treats to our mother and my sister. And her husband will continue to roast meat. Well, friends, we are gathered here for dinner to celebrate Mother's Day and also the beginning of the work of our Filipino bakery in Russia. Today we'll eat Filipino grilled ribs in mamacita marinade.
Что говорит Loaf? Очень вкусно, очень вкусно. Масара. Как еще? Ты давай пробуй. А я-то нет. Ой, какие ребрышки вкусные. Мягкие. Ой, как пахнет вкусно. А что вы хвалите? Неправда филиппинская.
Филиппинская.
Мамасита. Очень вкусные специи, мамасита, да? Ко всему подходит. И к ребрышкам, и к мясу, к шашлыку. Не надо мучиться. Очень вкусно получилось.
Мама, так как?
Очень, очень понравилось.
Масарап?
Масарап.
Лямикая.
Масарап.
Лямикая.
Ямикаю.
Это с соусом мамасита, филиппинские специи, филиппинские специи.
Our friends really like the Filipino grill. They even asked us how they could get such a spice in Russia. We said it was most likely impossible, but we will bring it to them when we go to the Philippines. Yes, we need to buy more different spices so that for a long time we can cook delicious Filipino dishes here in Russia with original taste. And my mother and I are going home to rest after a hard day. I want to say thank you very much, friends, for watching us. We really appreciate your support. I hope that one day we'll see each other in the Philippines, friends. Thank you for all, and in God, bye bye.